How to get more blue coins in Bingo Blitz. Blue coins are mostly commonly earned by playing safe events. During these events, play in featured cities or rooms. Complete Bingo's round. You will be rewarded with blue coins after each round, especially if you get bingos. Many mission rewards bingo coins, especially during food-related events. Special tasks like drawing a specific number, playing certain rooms, collecting ingredients. Every day, you can check this every day to maximize your coin haul. Sometimes, ingredient chest or even gift box contains bonus blue coins. These can be earned from completing recipes, leveling up your kitchen, finishing event stays. You can also ask friends to send you gifts. They sometimes include coins or items to earn them. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.